Right now,
the AC. Yeah, but that's my boy, man. He on them Ruccis, man. 24 pulgadas. Yep. Flow master with the nuts hanging. So what you got? You got any plans for it? Like anything else you want to do in particular for it?
I'm gonna paint the I'm doing blue rag, blue
rag. Okay. You gonna put a cloth up there? Or you gonna do a vinyl? Okay. Cloth blue. Yeah. Thing hitting good. Flow masters on there.
Flow master blue, 40.
Yeah.
3 inch out, 2.5 inch all the way out.
2.5. Okay. Yeah. You wanna show them under the hood? Got an LS? 5.3. Okay. See that boy got that AC? Going snowball, y'all. You got a name for it?
Rucci.
Rucci, that's it.
Rucci.
Big Rucci, man. Sunroof, everything. Yeah. Oh yeah. Who did the sunroof for you? Who did the sunroof for you? Okay. It's called what now? Okay. Okay. Yeah. Steering wheel. All right, come on out. I didn't know it come out.
It come all the way out.
Yeah. I didn't know that. Yeah. I actually didn't know that for real. Yeah. Check it out in the inside. So you finna change the interior?
Yeah, go blue.
Oh, you gonna go blue in the interior? Okay. Same color the mold.
Like now, girl.
Gotcha.
Blue.
Got some gauges up there. So keep y'all updated and posted on this car, man. You got LED lights on it or HID lights? You ain't got them yet? Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Do it pop out? It don't pop out?
No, it's just
I like this. Yeah, I like it.
I don't want to pop out. I want to be different. Hey, come like this.
Also, it do tilt up just a little bit in that one spot, though. Yeah, man. What's up?
Now do it look dirty now?
What did you Yeah.
I'd like to get it over in the paint and get primed tomorrow. I'd like to.
Right.
It'd be two things. It'll free up a stall and get it to where it can get primer on it. And in 7 days, when we start blocking on it. I've been blocking, but primer on it and blocking. It's a lot easier to cut primer than it is paint and Bondo and all that shit. Yeah, it'll look a ton better than it did.
Right. Yeah, I believe so.
Of course, I'm fixing to pop that chrome piece off, the little dog leg chrome piece. Probably leave the ones on the doors. I'll take that other bottom piece off. Just make it easier to tape it, easier to paint it.
Yeah. I ain't gonna hold you up, man. I'm gonna get on out of here, man. I sure appreciate you.
You didn't bring your truck up here, did you?
Yeah, it's out there now.
Is it?
Yeah, you wanna check it out?
Yeah, I want to.
Got a little motor tap, but it still get me where I need to go.
A 305 in it?
Yeah, stock 305. Yeah. Yeah, 94. Yep. Oh, work truck, baby. I got a little Silverado, so I'll be driving this until they decide they want to give out. And when they give out, I'm going to swap the motor. Yeah, let's swap maybe, for the most part.
You want to sell it?
I mean, we was trying to see what we was going to do about, that car situation, so I don't really know. I don't know. He said he gonna call me tomorrow and see what's going on, so I don't know. Less cash, and I ain't gotta spend no cash to sacrifice one to get my show car together. Yeah, that's my kind of my thing. So. Got new carpet in it, new dash pad. So I started on it. Yeah, I started on it. I just didn't. I didn't never start finishing. Cause I got too many irons in the fire. I got that car, this car. I got my other Chevy. So.
Take a little work, it'd be nice.
Yeah.
It'd be nice with a 6.0 in it.
Oh yeah, that's the same thing JJ said.
As you can see, very smooth.
That's why they take this off. Yeah. Got it. Just for people. Huh?
It's not legal.
Okay, yeah.
Just put me a check.
Yeah.
You're back at the top and you want to come through.
Back at the top.
Make sure you snap all your holes.
Yeah.
You don't have enough problems with your wiring.
Yeah. See it?